Module-based planning provides complete planning and budgeting solutions for financials, workforce, capital, projects, and strategic modeling. With built-in best practice content including forms, calculations, dashboards, drivers, and key performance indicators. With projects, you can capture costs, benefits, and assumptions to assess project performance and impact. You create a project on the Project Summary tab by selecting Project Details. Let's enter project information for an internal IT project. You can set the project priority and rank. Set this as a high priority project. Let's enter project assumptions. Standard rates are entered by job code, and a standard hourly cost is used to calculate labor expenses. Working days and hours assumptions are used in labor-related expense calculations. For this example, driver-based expense planning is used to calculate labor expenses. Enter driver information, then calculate expenses. You can also enter key expenses for specific expense accounts using direct input. Let's review overall project expenses. You can review both driver-based and direct input project expenses. You can quantify project benefits to capture their measurable impact on internal projects. Benefits can be categorized as financial, non-financial, or qualitative. For example, you can plan for incremental revenue from digital leads for a new website project. You can add non-financial benefits with target values to justify investments, and also capture qualitative benefits. Now let's take a look at contract projects. You can enter details similar to internal projects. You can include driver-based assumptions, direct input values, and can also plan revenue using direct input or revenue drivers. The dashboard provides an overview of project expenses and shows the impact of your assumptions. To create a contract project, enter the basic information, then select the type of project, revenue recognition, and revenue cash flow. You can review driver-based revenue assumptions with a detailed graph. You can also include additional direct revenue, such as contract revenue, at a fixed price. The analysis dashboard provides an overview of the total project revenue. You can review the project's profitability and cash flow in a detailed analysis. The project summary dashboard displays data across both expenses and revenue to give you a snapshot of all the key performance indicators. Now, let's review capital projects. For capital projects, you can review associated costs on one page and allocate project costs to one or more assets, either fully or partially, by specifying a percentage. These allocations link project costs to the assets they create, enabling accurate depreciation planning and asset tracking in capital. Asset information is displayed in the bottom form. Allocations are calculated after you save the data. Depending on the asset class, you can modify information such as the depreciation method. Review the project summary after completing project's modeling and asset cost allocation. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.